change your sound profile, press Menu, then go to Settings, and down to Profiles. Here you can choose from any of the preloaded files. Notable ones include Normal, Silent, and Headset. You can also create custom profiles by pressing Options and selecting Add. Here you can change the name, set the ringtones, adjust volume, set your ring type, whether you want your device to ring, vibrate, silent, or other options. And you can also set other alert rings. Once you're finished creating your profile, select Done, and your new sound profile will be displayed at the bottom of the profile list.
Thank you for watching. For more resources, visit sonamtech.com.